Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to change the domain name of your WordPress website. In this guide, we will walk through each action you need to take in order to update your domain name correctly through WordPress. Begin by accessing the WordPress website by typing its address into your web browser. Once you are there, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button. Simply click on this option to initiate the login process. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several authentication methods. For this walkthrough, select the option to continue with your Google account. You will then see a list of your Google accounts available for use. Choose your preferred account by clicking on it, and this will automatically log you into your WordPress account, streamlining your entry into the dashboard. With your account successfully accessed, navigate next to the section that allows for upgrading your site configuration. While browsing your account homepage, search for the Upgrade section. This is where you can manage various aspects of your website's settings and services. Click on the Upgrade option to bring up a new set of configurations that are essential for managing your domain names. After entering the Upgrade section, locate the area dedicated to domains. This is an important part of the process as it lets you handle all matters related to domain management. By clicking on the domain section, you will enter an area where you can review, add, or modify your website's domain details. Once you are in the domains area, look for the section that invites you to add a new domain. Here you will notice that a drop-down menu is accessible. Click on this drop-down to reveal more options regarding domain management. Within the drop-down menu, you need to select the option that clearly indicates you will be using a domain that you already own. Choosing this option informs WordPress that you wish to transfer your existing domain name into your website settings. Once you have selected that option, a field will appear where you can enter the new domain name you wish to use for your website. Take a moment to carefully type in your registered domain name into the provided text field. Ensure that the spelling and domain extension are correct to avoid any issues during the transfer process. After you have input your domain name, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. At this point, you will be guided through the payment process. Make sure to complete the transaction following the on-screen instructions regarding payment details for the domain transfer service. Finally, you will be prompted to provide an authorization code issued by your host. This code is essential as it confirms your permission to transfer the domain into your WordPress account. Enter your authorization code carefully when prompted. Once you have completed this final step, your domain change request will be processed by WordPress. This comprehensive sequence of actions, from logging into your account to confirming the domain transfer with an authorization code, will help you successfully update your website's domain name while ensuring that every part of the process is completed accurately and securely. Follow these detailed instructions carefully, and you will have your new domain set up quickly and efficiently. Enjoy the process of giving your website a fresh domain update with confidence.